Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of sensory receptors, the intricate network of specialized cells that allow us to experience the world around us. From the gentle touch of a loved one's hand to the sharp sting of a hot surface, our sensory receptors are constantly at work, sending crucial signals to our brain. Join us as we explore the different types of receptors, how they function, and their incredible role in shaping our perception of the world. Get ready to unlock the secrets of sensation and dive deep into the wonders of the human body. The human skin, an incredible organ, serving multiple vital functions. Firstly, it acts as a shield, protecting the body against physical, chemical, and microbial threats. It's the frontline defense, keeping harmful substances at bay. Secondly, it regulates body temperature, facilitating processes like sweating and blood vessel dilation or constriction, ensuring our internal environment stays stable. Thirdly, it's the gateway to sensation, with countless nerve endings transmitting touch, pressure, temperature, and pain signals. These sensations help us interact with our surroundings and avoid harm. Fourthly, the skin assists in waste elimination, allowing small amounts of waste products to exit through its pores. And fifthly, it contributes to our immune system, playing a role in defending against infections and diseases. Layers of the skin include the epidermis, providing waterproofing and protection, the dermis, housing blood vessels, nerves, glands, and hair follicles, and the hypodermis, comprised of fat and connective tissue, offering insulation and cushioning. Skin color variation arises from differences in melanin, a pigment produced by melanocytes in the epidermis. Genetics, sun exposure, and medical conditions influence skin color. Maintaining healthy skin involves regular cleansing, moisturizing, sun protection, and a balanced diet. By caring for our skin, we preserve its integrity and function, promoting overall well-being. Tactile receptors are sensory nerve endings in the skin that respond to mechanical stimuli such as touch, pressure, vibration, and stretch. These receptors play a crucial role in our sense of touch and proprioception, awareness of the position and movement of our body parts. There are several types of tactile receptors in the skin, each specialized to detect specific types of mechanical stimuli. Mechanoreceptors are a type of sensory receptor that responds to mechanical stimuli such as touch, pressure, vibration, and stretch. These receptors are found throughout the body, including in the skin, muscles, tendons, joints, and inner ear. In the skin, mechanoreceptors play a crucial role in our sense of touch and proprioception, providing information about the texture, shape, and movement of objects we come into contact with. Merkel cells are found in the deepest layer of the epidermis and are associated with sensory nerve endings. They respond to sustained pressure and are important for detecting objects held firmly against the skin. Next, we have the Meissner's corpuscles. These receptors are located close to the skin's surface, particularly in areas like the fingertips, lips, and palms. They are sensitive to light touch and are responsible for detecting fine textures and changes in surfaces. Moving on to the Pacinian corpuscles. These receptors are deeper in the skin and respond to deep pressure and high-frequency vibration. They are particularly sensitive to rapid changes in pressure and are found in areas like the joints and fingertips. Ruffini endings are located in the deeper layers of the skin and are sensitive to stretching of the skin. They play a role in detecting continuous pressure and skin deformation, contributing to our perception of skin stretch and movement. Hair follicle receptors, also known as hair follicle plexuses or hair root plexuses, are specialized sensory nerve endings that surround the base of hair follicles in the skin. Hair follicle receptors are sensitive to movements of the hair, including changes in its angle or direction. When the hair is disturbed by external forces, such as a light touch or a breeze, the receptors detect these movements and send signals to the brain, contributing to our perception of touch and sensation. In summary, we have various types of tactile receptors responsible for different sensations. Meissner's corpuscles, located close to the skin's surface, detect light touch and fine textures in areas like the fingertips. Merkel's cells, found in the deepest layer of the skin, respond to sustained pressure, aiding in detecting objects held firmly against the skin. Pacinian corpuscles, deeper in the skin, are sensitive to deep pressure and rapid changes in pressure, particularly in areas like the joints. Ruffini endings, also in deeper skin layers, detect skin stretching, contributing to our sense of movement. Free nerve endings, the most common type, detect a wide range of stimuli, including touch, pressure, temperature, and pain, helping us stay aware of our surroundings. Additionally, hair follicle receptors, surrounding hair follicles, detect hair movements, adding to our sense of touch and environmental awareness. Thermoreceptors are specialized sensory receptors that detect changes in temperature. These receptors are found throughout the body, particularly in the skin and internal organs, and play a crucial role in regulating body temperature and perceiving thermal stimuli from the environment. They are located in various tissues throughout the body, including the skin, mucous membranes, and internal organs. In the skin, they are primarily found in the dermis and epidermis. Thermoreceptors detect changes in temperature and transmit this information to the brain via sensory neurons. They help regulate body temperature by signaling the body to adjust its heat production or heat loss mechanisms in response to changes in environmental temperature. There are two main types of thermoreceptors: cold receptors and warm receptors. Cold receptors are more sensitive to decreases in temperature, while warm receptors are more sensitive to increases in temperature. Together, they provide a comprehensive sense of temperature perception. Thermoreceptors can detect a wide range of temperatures, from extreme cold to extreme heat. However, they are most sensitive to changes within a moderate temperature range that is optimal for human comfort and survival. They exhibit a degree of adaptation, meaning they can become less sensitive to constant temperature stimuli over time. This allows the body to maintain awareness of new temperature changes in the environment. Thermoreceptors work in conjunction with other sensory receptors, such as pain receptors and tactile receptors, to provide a comprehensive sensory experience. For example, the perception of hot or cold temperatures often elicits a pain response in addition to the sensation of temperature itself. Overall, thermoreceptors are essential for maintaining thermal homeostasis within the body and for perceiving temperature-related stimuli from the environment. Their function is crucial for our survival and comfort in various environmental conditions. Moving on, nociceptors are found throughout the body, including the skin, muscles, joints, and internal organs. They are particularly abundant in areas where tissue damage is more likely to occur, such as the fingertips and soles of the feet. Nociceptors respond to various types of stimuli that can potentially cause tissue damage, including mechanical pressure, extreme temperatures, heat or cold, and chemicals released from damaged tissues. When stimulated, nociceptors generate electrical signals that travel along nerve fibers to the spinal cord and then to the brain, where they are interpreted as pain. They can transmit different types of pain signals, including sharp, stabbing pain or fast pain, and dull, throbbing pain or slow pain. Fast pain is transmitted by myelinated A delta fibers, while slow pain is transmitted by unmyelinated C fibers. Unlike some other sensory receptors, nociceptors do not adapt to ongoing stimulation. This means that even prolonged exposure to a painful stimulus will continue to elicit a pain response. The primary function of nociceptors is to protect the body from harm by alerting us to potential dangers. Pain sensations prompt behaviors that help prevent further injury, such as withdrawing from a hot surface or avoiding pressure on a tender area. Nociceptors can become sensitized or hyperactive in certain pathological conditions, leading to chronic pain disorders. Conditions such as neuropathic pain, inflammatory pain, and certain types of headaches involve dysfunction or hypersensitivity of nociceptive pathways. Understanding nociceptor function is crucial for developing treatments for pain relief. Medications such as analgesics and anti-inflammatory drugs target nociceptive pathways to alleviate pain. In summary, nociceptors are specialized sensory receptors that play a vital role in detecting and transmitting pain signals in response to harmful stimuli, helping to protect the body from injury and guiding behaviors that promote healing and recovery. As we come to the end of our exploration into the skin, the body's largest organ, remember that beneath every surface lies a world of wonders waiting to be discovered. From its protective layers to its intricate sensory receptors, the skin is truly a marvel of nature, deserving of our appreciation and care. We hope this journey has inspired you to see your skin in a new light, to embrace its resilience, celebrate its sensitivity, and nurture its health. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more captivating insights into the wonders of the human body. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep marveling at the incredible complexity of the human body.